Guys, ganun lang, okay? Habaan ng pasensya. Okay? Habaan ng pasensya. Educate as much as you can. And kung gaano ka ka-confident sa product knowledge mo, hindi ka tatalbog. Hindi ka tatalbog. Kung marunong kang mag-explain, twist and turn, kaya mo ma-convert yan into something positive. So let's talk about PureTear.com. Okay. So, si Aling Marites is careful. Tama?
Yes.
At kailangan niya malaman kung bakit niya kailangan mag-consume ng hayop. At kailangan i-trust niya yung nag-offer ng hayop sa kanya. Tama? And you have to memorize. You have to memorize. Memorizing really, really help. Kung alam mo kung ano yung laman, ano yung components, ano yung function, what will happen 6 months after, it will really help. At kung meron kang pruweba, kung meron kang proof of evidence, and you're transparent, then it could possibly build trust. Okay. So this is the first page of PureTear.com. So sa PureTear.com, meron tayong menu. Okay? Ngayon, the moment you open, pwede mo na kaagad mapakita sa kliyente mo kung wala kang dalang sample, pero kung ako sa'yo, sa bag mo, kailangan laging may dalang sample. Kahit sample lang, kung hindi magkasya yung bote, okay lang kasi pwede mo naman i-PureTear.com, ipakita yung packaging. Pero ang sample, kailangan physical. Okay? So kahit ziplock lang yan, nasa bag mo dapat. So show them how it looks like. And then tell them roughly that what makes PureTear different is the formulation that it has to achieve a more holistic and integrative approach to health. Sulat natin, integrative. Because there's a medical term that we use when we combine conventional treatment like procedures, hospital procedures, prescription drugs. When we adjunct or when we combine them with alternative and complementary medicine like this, we call it integrative. Mind you, in Metropolitan Medical Center, where I took my medicine, in the College of Medicine, we have to take for 1 year alternative and complementary medicine. Ang pinag-aaralan lang namin, medicinal properties ng mga organic sources. And most College of Medicine offers that course already. Okay. So, wag nyo i-underestimate because from the beginning of time, organic has components